Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode with OneClass. My name is Bassam, and today we're going to be going through some math questions at the high school and university level. I'm an engineering graduate, and the following questions are going to be shown on the screen right here. Okay, so this is the first question. Okay, so question number 1. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go through what the junior tutor proposed as a solution, and then we're going to verify that solution by going through step by step on how to do it. So here the question is asking division rule derivatives. So we want to talk about kind of what is the division rule when we're taking derivatives. So taking a look at the junior tutor, a rule that is used to find the derivative of a quotient function. So it's sometimes also referred to as the quotient rule, and it's as follows. It shows the following formula. So the derivative of some function f at x divided by some function g at x is as follows. The derivative of f at x times g at x minus the derivative of g at x times f at x. This is all divided by the function g at x squared. So here the junior tutor goes through an example, so we can see x ln x, and so on. So we'll go through the same example over here to double check. Let me just double check something over here, so you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. Okay. Okay, so we're saying that the derivative of some function f at x divided by some function g at x equals the following. So we said the derivative of the first, so I'll just say f prime, times the second, so times g, I'll put a dot here for times, minus the derivative of, I guess, the bottom, so g, times the first, which is f at x. So times f divided by essentially g squared. So this is kind of just short form way to write the same thing that's written over here. So let's go through an example of how this would work. So here if we had the function x over ln x, we can see that f at x here is just x, and g of x is ln x. So it could be any other function, but in this scenario we're given x over ln x. So we'll take the derivative of that. So the derivative of d dx of f at x over g of x, which is just this up above, this would give us. So we know it's the derivative of f at x. So in our scenario, x is equal to f at x. So we know the derivative of that is just 1, multiplied by g at x. So we're using this equation up here, multiplied by g at x. So here is just ln x. So we know it's 1 times ln x minus the derivative of g at x. So the derivative of ln x, and the derivative of ln x is just 1 over x. So this is just the derivative of ln x is just something you should memorize, which is just 1 over x, and then multiplied by f at x, which is over here, and that's just x for us, divided by g at x squared, so ln x squared. So this simplifies out to equal ln x, so the first term is just ln x minus 1, because the x's cancel, over ln x squared. So we'll say ln x and this squared. So here we can see we obtained the correct answer, and the junior tutor's answer is also correct. So we'll say great job, answer is correct, and we'll mark this answer as correct.